Alright guys, welcome to this After Effects training course. This lesson will be focused on creating compositions. Okay, so let's go up to our composition window inside After Effects. Let's go to New Composition, and let's create a few presets. So right now, we will delete the custom one. Okay, so what we can do is go to one of the Adobe presets. We'll click on HDTV 1080-24. And we will make sure it says 1920 by 1080, which it does. We will make sure that it has square pixels. That means that each pixel is as high as it is wide. Okay. The next thing is the frame rate. We want to make sure it says 23.976 or 29.97 or whatever your footage was shot at. So for me, I normally shoot at 23.976, so we'll go with that. The duration is 10 seconds. We can change that later if we wish. So let's create a preset by clicking here. We will name the preset 1920 times 1080 to 3.976. Okay, so now when we click on the preset, it'll be at the bottom here. That's if we're shooting in high definition at 23.98.